Hey guys, welcome back. It's been a long time since my last video. I had some personal stuff, but now I'm back. I'm gonna continue with the project of building a 959 metal brushless from scratch. And I'm gonna answer all your questions on the YouTube channel, so feel free to continue asking me. Today I'm gonna build the arms of the kit. I'm gonna show you which part you get exactly from it and which part you need to get from other stuff, like these rods that I didn't find spare parts for it. I used for my other models, but I'm gonna give you links to buy only the rods. Cost about $1, so it's not a big deal. So let's get to it. I saw that there is metal parts. This is plastic one. So they came out with metal one. I did order, but it will take time to get. When they get here, I'm gonna show you. Perhaps the metal parts will save you using this part, because if it's a bit longer, when I get it, I will know. The stuff I didn't find is these rods. It's 2mm. Okay, it's about 2mm on 40. So I give you a link for a longer two rods that comes about 100mm that you can cut to your desired lengths, and it costs about $1 for two, and it will be enough for the car. Other stuff is the screws. It's 2mm screws. You can get it very easily. I might give you links, but if not, just go ahead and find 2mm screw. The length of it, it's about 9.5. It's not really different. You can get a bit longer, a bit shorter. It's about 9.5mm long. And this shim, again, in the center it's 2mm because it's on the rod. On the outside it's about 5mm. Okay, so 2 on 5, and it's 1mm in thickness. Now for the build itself, I'm going to start on the back. I'll take the rod inside. This is where the shocks go, so it goes on the outside. And the plastic part. That way, okay? What to say? Very easy. Flip it. Take the two screws. These two screws goes inside the diff case. You're gonna see it when I add the diff case, but for now just leave it like this. Make sure it's pretty loose. Seems fine. The first part, okay. So this caps goes here, and the screw from the outside. It's a bit tight. Right. When you screw metal to metal, don't forget you need to use thread locker or Loctite. Just put just a tiny bit. That's it, not too much. If you ever want to take it apart, if you put too much, you will damage the screw. So for this screw you will need 2mm hacks. It's not 2mm, 1.5. Great. So this part will go here. This is for the rods. It will come later. Again, Loctite. Just tiny bit. Okay. Found the part that I was missing. Front on buckles. And all the bearings. We'll add them in the end. First of all, I'm gonna add, check exactly how it should be. Always get mixed up. So this goes this way. Okay. This part on top, facing inwards, and the turnbuckles goes like this. This one goes to the back. Okay, so screws going to be the screws came with this part. Again, not too tight, make sure it moves freely. It will make too much pressure on the servo. You have to use Loctite, okay? let's add the bearing. Of course, ball bearings. Very simple. Small one on the outside. So the tip is put the bearings before you let's sum the video up. I showed you which parts came with a big kit and which one you need to add to get separately, like the rods, the plastic, this part right here, and some screws. The rest of it comes with the kit along with the screws. Don't forget to use Loctite on all the screws, and next time we'll put some more parts in. Not sure exactly which one. We're gonna think about it, and you can subscribe and watch the next video. Thank you for watching. Hope this helps you, and I see you guys next time.